Hi everyone, welcome to Hojinx Motors Garage, the home of affordable quality transformations. Today, we will repair and respray a Volkswagen Golf. Twende kazi. Due to the extent of damage caused by the impact of the accident, we will replace the nose cut, right headlamp, the right fender, and bonnet. Fitting of the new nose cut and bonnet is done. A thin layer of filler is applied and sanded down to smoothness. Thereafter, masking is done and primer is sprayed. Once done, the undercoat and final paint coat is sprayed. Once the paint has completely dried, buffing is done. Thanks for watching. See you on the next project.